Welcome to Farmer Voice of CPHI and PMAC China Virtual Expo Connect. I'm here with Ms. Marina Zhu, who is the Vice President of Foreign Trade from Highfine Engineering Company. She has been engaged in international trade and overseas market development for a long time and is familiar with overseas working environment and methods. She has worked in Highfine Engineering Co. Limited for 15 years with management experience in foreign trade department, especially mature methods for the development of foreign markets. Good afternoon, Marina.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for joining the interview. While innovating, how should your company achieve environmental protection, ecological harmony, and sustainable development?
Thanks for your question. First, please let me introduce myself and my company, Highfine Group. My name is Marina. It is really an honor for me to be interviewed. Meantime, it is a pity that I can't meet all of you guys face to face at CPHI exhibition because of current pandemic situation. Our Highfine Group is located in Nantong City, Jiangsu Province, 100 kilometers away from Shanghai City. It is known as north of Shanghai. We are specializing in research and development, design, and fabrication of water treatment system, vials, ampoules, non-PVC soft bag production line, freeze dryer, and blow fill seal machine. Highfine Group is divided into 4 different plants. Plant of CNC Machining Center, which is for precise parts fabricating and processing. Plants of water treatment assembling used for purified water system, multi-effect water distiller, preparation mixing system, and distribution loops. Plant of filling production line and BFS line. We have also built BFS turnkey project in our 4th plant. As a leading supplier of pharmaceutical industry, Highfine always takes its economic benefits, social responsibility, and human health as our survival value. Okay, above is our company's brief introduction. Let me focus on the question you proposed. I will start my topic with the passage I read before. If we do not take proactive measures or actions for energy saving and emission reduction by the year of 2050, when the population reaches to 9.6 billion, the natural resources needed to maintain the current lifestyle need to be like the sum of total natural resources of the 3 earths. I was shocked by that passage, but it is true. That is why nowadays more and more people becomes eco-friendly. This idea also become one of our Highfine's home concept. With its establishment, we are constantly devoting to research and development and working on the slogan of make more and better machines with less resources. Here, I will take one of our machines as an example. We have promoted our B-series water distiller with technology of rising film evaporation. There are 5 advantages. Point 1, rising film evaporation technology can solve the problem of uneven water distribution. Point 2, 100% heating efficiency. Point 3, reduce black steam consumption. Point 4, precisely distribute each column's water quantity through control, which can reduce the raw water consumption. Point 5, separation device with multiple diversions can make the system longer operation life. To sum up the above points, 5 points, our B-series water distiller have been recognized by our end users, not only its high quality, but also its energy saving and emission reduction. We also have more than 20 technical patents regarding energy saving and emission reducing. Here I will not list one by one. Anyway, let's act together to find better solutions and keep the balance between ecology and sustainable development. Thanks.
Okay, what are the key points for China's medical engineering to meet domestic and international regulatory standards? Can you share a success story?
We have more than 300 end users in domestic and international markets. We have served many overseas customers, such as Europe, Middle East, Southeast Asia, South America, North America, etc. Actually, with the development of domestic pharmaceutical industry, I feel that there's not much difference between domestic and international standards. We can meet the needs of national pharmacopoeias with the current strength and technology. The key points for a good system is software, hardware, and documentation. I think communication with customer is really a very important process of mutual learning and improvement. Some of the projects I have done have really impressed me. Among them is a customer from Europe. The machines they purchased must pass the EP standards and validation. We made a lot of rounds of technical discussion in the early stage. I think that kind of discussion lasted for almost 1 year. But after that, after the contract, we just followed the process which we had discussed and confirmed. Theory fabrication, FAT, SAT, everything went smoothly. Customer was very pleased for our professional attitude and high quality machine with good documentation. Finally, they have listed us to be one of their global suppliers. We have supplied our machine to their pharmaceutical factories, both in Europe and Southeast Asia market. I think that was a successful story. Thanks.
Okay, what is the status of smart fabrication and process automation in China's pharmaceutical industry? What do you think?
Application of smart fabrication and process automation in China's pharmaceutical industry is on an upward trend. Highfine is making continuous progress in this regard. We have adopted advanced opto welding machine, automatic polishing machine, automatic laser cutting machine, robots, and so on. We believe good machines must need the support of good and smart equipment. Process automation is also considered as an important point. With the cooperation with software and hardware, machines can reach fully automatic operation. This concept is also widely used in pharmaceutical factories. Compared with label, manual power, manual label, process, automation, and smart equipment are more reliable, stable, and highly standardized. And in the long term, it is cost efficient. Thanks.
Thank you, Marina, for your time and sharing. That concludes our interview. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. Check more interviews on vec.pharmasources.com.